I know you want to hear a new story, so here is the story. Name of the story is The Jungle's Tale of Unity and Triumph. In a jungle filled with animosity, the animals constantly plotted against each other. One day, a colossal creature named Veridia, with green feathers and sharp horns, arrived and began devouring every species in sight. The terrified animals, realizing their survival depended on unity, set aside their differences. Lions, hyenas, snakes, monkeys, birds, and insects formed an alliance to face the common threat. When Veridia returned for another feast, the united animals confronted her together. They used their unique strengths to outsmart and overpower the colossal intruder. In the end, the jungle inhabitants learned the power of cooperation and defeated Veridia. With the common enemy vanquished, the jungle transformed from a place of hostility to one of harmony. The animals, once divided, embraced the lesson that unity is key to facing challenges and thriving together. Moral: the story of the jungle teaches us that in unity lies the strength to overcome even the most formidable challenges. When diverse individuals join forces, setting aside their differences, they can triumph over common threats. Cooperation not only ensures survival but transforms hostility into harmony, creating a thriving environment for all.